Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and some of you may know that recently I've had a big birthday. So I'm looking in the mirror and starting to regret some of those parties I went to in my youth, because they say that when you get to the age of 50, you get the face you deserve. So I need to look at some methods to try and turn back the clock a bit. So I've been looking into some natural facial techniques, and I found an amazing technique called Gua Sha. Now, Gua Sha, for those of you that don't know, is an ancient Chinese practice that involves scraping the skin with a jade stone. Now, it sounds painful, but really it's not. It's actually quite meditative. So guys, does it work? Let me find out. So Gua Sha is done with a jade stone. Now, in ancient terms of feng shui, jade is supposed to bring good health, good luck and prosperity. So that's something I want to be using on my face every day. It's also a very healing stone, so it's great for this technique, and it's also cold to the touch, so it is brilliant for any puffiness. So especially first thing in the morning, you can just hold it over your eyes like this, just to reduce any puffiness or sleepy looking eyes. You can actually put this stone in the fridge or freezer for 20 minutes if you want to. I find you don't have to, because the stone feels lovely and cool anyway, but that's something you can do if you'd like to. So the benefits of this stone is that when you're scraping the skin, it brings the blood circulation to the surface of the skin, and this in turn helps release toxins. It helps promote new collagen, it brings blood flow, so better circulation. It also gives you a very healthy glow look and promotes young looking skin. So that's something that I definitely want. And I've been using this for about a month now, and I think it's fantastic, so that's why I wanted to share it with you guys. Picking the stone is very important. It's important to get a good quality stone. So I've picked this one from the Hey You method, as I've been following them on Instagram and YouTube and really like their videos and knew this was a good quality stone. So I bought the stone, and I also bought their oil, which I love. It's all natural and cruelty free, and I find it's really good for this technique as it's the perfect oil. It's not too oily, but it's moisturizing and it doesn't dry out either while you're doing this. So I love this oil, so give this a try. I'll put the links in the description below. So what I'm going to do today is one side of my face only, and then afterwards we can compare, even in one treatment, does it work? So I'm starting on the side of the neck, and what I'm doing here is I'm just warming up the lymph nodes, because what I want to do is flush all the toxins out of my face through my lymph nodes to be dispersed through my body. So I'm just going to do these strokes around about 5 to 8 times normally. Oh, I'm moving on to the front of the neck now, so I'm using the 2-pronged area. And this is to get rid of that turkey neck or double chin. So this will help with the elasticity of the skin in the neck. So again, just trying to use the stone as flat as possible and hold the skin at the chin a little bit, or you can hold it at the base of the neck as well. So again, the 2-pronged end. Oh, I'm using the stone a little bit too vertically there, so you can see that. So I want to be using it a little bit flatter than that really. There, that's better now. It's like I heard myself. So yeah, and that will help with any of these jowl problems like loose sagging jowls. Right, so now I'm using the C shape. I'm going onto my cheek, and I'm just trying to promote that sort of apple cheek, that full cheek look. Because what I don't want to have is that sort of gaunt, sunken face look as you get older. So I'm trying to get that youthful, full cheek look. So that's what we'll do here. And if you go under the cheekbone like this, that will help really sit that apple bit of your cheek up again. So I'm going to plump my lips up now. So you use the C shape. Who needs collagen? Look, we can get plumper lips just by doing some jade stone gua sha technique. So I'm trying to lift my eyebrow up a little bit here. I want to wear eyeshadow this Christmas, so I'm trying to tighten up that skin in the upper eye. So I don't want my eyeshadow falling off onto my face like it normally does. I want tight eyes for Christmas. So again, for the brow, for the middle of the brow, I'm just using the pronged end. This area is actually going over your third eye as well, so it will help with anxiety, and it will help you get a better night's sleep as well, going over your third eye. So this is the most relaxing part of the techniques. So hopefully you can see a difference between each side of my face. But remember, I've been using this tool for a month now, so my muscle memory is pretty good and my muscles are starting to go back to where they should be. But for the first time you use it is the time you see the biggest difference of all. So the way I see this stone is, it's a gym for your face. So it's all very well going to the gym and training your body, but we want our face to look young too. And this will just remind all those small muscles that we haven't been using enough as we've been aging, what they should be doing and where they should be in our face. So hopefully you all think I look, well, at least on this side, younger and plumper. What do you think? So today we've been training the face. You might remember from a previous video, we were training the brain on how to be a high performance mind. So if you have been suffering from things like insomnia, sleeplessness, anxiety, make sure you check that video out. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you're interested in living a more natural life, make sure you join me in this journey and subscribe to my channel, where I'll be coming up with new tips every week on how to live a more non-toxic, natural, cruelty-free life. Till next time.